This video is designed to help repair issues with Bosch dishwashers that are not draining. It is presented to you by ApplianceRepairLesson.com. This dishwasher is a standard Bosch dishwasher that is between 3 and 15 years old. To get started, open the door and pull out the rack. Once the lower rack is removed, you can remove the filter inside of the base of the dishwasher. The center cylinder filter just turns counterclockwise, which allows you to remove the stainless steel filter. This gives you access to the sump inside of the base of the dishwasher. There will be water in the base of this dishwasher, so you will want to use a towel to soak up as much of the water as possible. If your dishwasher isn't draining, there will be a lot more water and you may need to use a cup to evacuate the water. On the left side inside the sump, there is a size 15 Torx bit screw that needs to be removed. Removing the screw will give you access to remove the cover over top of the drain pump impeller. By grabbing the back lip of the cover, you can pull up and forward and it will unclip and release. Once the cover is removed, you can now see inside the sump and gain access to the drain pump impeller. Check for anything that might be blocking the drain pump impeller, such as glass, beans, or seeds. Use needle nose pliers and grab the backflow preventer. Remove it and see if there's anything else blocking. For more video demonstrations, as well as step-by-step tutorials, please go to ApplianceRepairLesson.com. If you'd like to try one of our other support options, such as forum support or live chat with a technician, just go to ApplianceRepairLesson.com.